Hey, it's me, Bree, and we're gonna do something super exciting. So, right here, I have, you guessed it, another corset. So you know I have no self-control, and I was looking on the Orchard Corsets website. I like to look at different corset websites because I want to try out different brands and everything. And I saw this limited edition pink oil slick corset. It just so happened to be in one of the styles they suggested for me based on my measurements. So I bought it just to find out now that they have like a whole collection of new ones coming out, like one every week. So we'll see if I can keep from buying another one or not. So this corset was just $71. I had a $10 off coupon for being like new to their site, so I used that. So just $61 for this corset. So this would be number CS201, and it is going to be in the size 24. I had troubles with getting this. FedEx got, or the FedEx person who was supposed to deliver it couldn't find my apartment and put it as the wrong address. It was the right address. He just didn't know where it was, which is fair. I have lots of problems getting deliveries here, normally food deliveries, but yeah, so it took like an extra 5 days for me to get this corset. It took everything in me not to just rip the packaging open the moment I got it. So here it is. Here's how it comes packaged. It also comes with some things. This is kind of like little tips for wearing and caring for the corset. It's got this little, kind of like a thank you card. It says congratulations on it. It's got the website URL for if you need an exchange, and a little card, business card. So, you know, oh, 10% off your next with the code. The code is OCVIP10. So I guess if anyone uses that, they'll get 10% off a corset. So there you go. And I like that it comes with little things in it. You don't get that with Corset Deal or Corset Story. They also have a big YouTube presence, so you can go on YouTube and look at try-on videos and questions and 101 like seasoning and your corset and measuring and everything like that. So it's nice. I'm glad that they put those kind of resources out there for their customers. But time for what we're all really here for, and what you guys probably just skipped to get to, the corset unveiling. I was really excited. This one looked really cute on the website, even though I'm not a big pink person. So here's the corset. It's folded with the inside out, so it's got a very nice white cotton inside. There are garter tabs on the bottom. Ooh, and here it is. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. All right, let's see if you guys can see this pink. So it's kind of got this effect to make it look like it's kind of like an oil spill, like oil on water, the way the colors look. I wasn't sure if it was gonna just be like a pattern or if it was gonna be a material that looked like this, but it looks like it's just the pattern, not a material. That's fine. It's still really pretty. It's really pink. This is cute. It's very short. It is a waspie. I've never had a waspie corset before, but I have been wanting to try one. So this will be exciting. It's cut very interesting. Let me go ahead and measure it. Also, you can see the waist tape is sandwiched between the two pieces of fabric here. So I measured it. Each panel is coming out to 11.5 inches. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be worn with a 1-inch lacing gap because it is a 24-inch corset. 11.5 on each side makes it 23 closed. That would be 24 with a 1-inch lacing gap. I thought theirs weren't supposed to have a lacing gap, so I'll have to check back on the website to make sure about that. But yeah, I think it's time to go ahead and try this bad boy on. All right, I got this on, and here it is. They were not kidding when they called this curvy. I've got it down to 27.5 inches. Let me show you all the way around. So this is the side. And then here's the back. I hope you guys can see that. And then the other side. So I've already got this down to 27.5 inches. I normally wouldn't even try on that tight, but there was just so much gapping above and below. I was kind of afraid I wouldn't be able to get it flush, and it's still not. There's still a lot of gapping up top. Not as much down here, but the hips are so high on the side that I wouldn't expect it. This lip comes out just a little bit. Boop, boop. Can't really tell with my jeans, so it's not too bad. But I love this. I was afraid it was going to be too curvy. Yeah, it is really curvy, and I'm afraid that it might be too curvy for me, at least at a 24, because normally down to 27 or so inches, my corsets are laying flush, and this one's nowhere near flush up top. It's kind of flush on the bottom, but again, it cuts up high. This little front part sticks out just a little bit, like I can fit a finger in there. If I were to wear it under a shirt, this is a bad shirt to wear clothes under, but it would not stealth very well, at least not right here, but 27 is about as tight as I can get at the moment. I love the curve of it. I love a dramatic curve, so I've been wanting a corset that had a dramatic curve like this. So like I'm obsessed with that. And the pattern is super, super cute. You can't tell as much on camera what it looks like, but it's really cute in person, I think. Sorry, I wanted to get my face for just a little bit more, but yeah, that is this corset. I actually like it. I love the dramatic curve. I want a dramatic curve, and so I'm very happy with that. And this waspie is interesting. I think I'd have to get used to how low it is, because I'm used to it coming just a smidge more up here. And yeah, it just feels interesting, but I think it's super cute. I'm very happy with this purchase. And I guess if I had any kind of complaints, it's a really small nitpicky one. It's the pins on the bust pop out really far. So like I've got it laced up. I don't know if you can tell, but the pins come out pretty far. They almost come out past both sides of the corset. I just was like, wow, I've never seen pins that long before. There's just way more space than necessary, but that's really not a big deal. It's not a real complaint, but yeah, when you rub your hand across the front, you can feel the pins sticking out further than the side of the corset, like the loop side. And I'd just be afraid that would get caught on something. Or if you were wearing it under a shirt, those pins would definitely, like, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the pins would definitely poke through if you're wearing a tighter shirt on top. But it's not the biggest thing. It's not like a deal breaker. I love it. I think it's cute. I love the way the white laces look with it. Very like fairy. All right, well, I think that's all I had for you guys today. Just wanted to show off this new corset. I was waiting until I could sit down to film to even put it on, so I've been like super excited. I just wanted to rip into it, but I'm glad I waited. It's super cute. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this, I don't know why anyone would be, but yeah, bye.